Shalom, I'm Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat, and welcome to Breaking News from Israel. Today, horrific shootings in Yerushalayim, in Jerusalem. 2 Palestinian gunmen opened fire on a crowded bus stop in Ramat Junction in Yerushalayim, in Jerusalem. 6 people were tragically killed and dozens wounded. Eyewitness describes the scene as chaos, people fleeing, glass scattered all over the place, lives being shattered everywhere, people in panic, children crying. Security personnel, armed civilians, quickly responded and killed the terrorists on scene. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu rushed to the site, vowing a forceful counter-response and declaring Israel is at war on multiple fronts. Yesterday, the Israeli airport in Eilat was hit by missile fire from Yemen. The airport now has been shut down as many were injured there. You're not getting the full news around the world. It's a war zone here in Israel. Our ministry, Messiah of Israel Ministries, we're not far from the scene today. We heard the shootings. We ran to help the people. It was a bloodbath. As believers in Yeshua and Jesus, we understand this is spiritual warfare. We understand the true battle is against Israel. The true battle is against the gospel. As I always like to say, if Satan and his demons knew that the gospel does not go forth from Israel, would they attack physical Israel? And the answer is no. So the true battle is against the gospel of Yeshua the Messiah. But one thing is certain, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, will continue to protect Israel. We're living in a time right now of Revelation 12:12. Therefore rejoice, you heavens, and you who dwell in them. But woe to the earth and the sea, because the devil has gone down to you, and he is filled with fury, because he knows that his time is short. Brothers and sisters, this is what it's all about. This is the battle. Our heart goes out to the people of Israel. Our heart goes out to the victims of the families and the ones that lost their loved ones. This is a time that the gospel must go out full force, and no one will be able to wipe out the nation of Israel. Thus says the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Pray for the people of Israel. Pray for our ministry as we continue to preach the gospel in season and out, south to north of Israel. And for Zion's sake, we will not keep silent. Isaiah 62 verse 1. For Zion's sake, I will not keep silent. For Jerusalem's sake, I will not remain quiet, till her vindication shines out like the dawn, her salvation like a blazing torch. And we know that the word for salvation in Hebrew is the word Yeshua, her Yeshua, like a blazing torch. And he's coming back with fire in his eyes as the Lion of the tribe of Judah, Aryeh Yehuda, to take back everything that the enemy has stolen. And until that time, we will continue to preach the gospel, the psurah, no matter what. Kadosh, 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 Adonai Tzvaot, Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords, the protector of Israel, will continue to win the battle. Thank you for standing with us. And remember, Psalms 122 verse 6, pray for the peace of Jerusalem, they shall prosper that love thee. I'm Messianic Rabbi Zev Porat reporting from Israel. Shalom.